This video going to share with you that the stay experience at Marriott Vienna. Only one night over here. We arrived quite early, so hopefully that we can rest in the club lounge, or they got the room early for us. So here it is, a very old school building over here. So let's go see whether I can check in the club lounge. The lobby here is a little bit warm, but it's very peaceful, very quiet in the morning. We are still waiting for our room, and the deposit is only €50. I'm quite shocked. So we get the drinking water, the juice, the very simple cut fruit, coconut, coffee and tea. The croissant is good. Then the breakfast you get the scrambled egg, then the bacon and sausage, porridge, oatmeal, and then the what they call cereal. It's a little bit warm here, but it's quite cozy to see a lounge like this. I think at the evening it will be very nice. Okay, so let us wait for our room key. It's about 1:30. Then I got my room. It's one large bedroom suite, and it's very impressive. It's very big. So you can see that from the floor plan, this is my room. So I'm going to give you a room tour. You have a weird wardrobe here. Then the guest toilet over here. Then full-length mirror. Before you go out, you can check your grooming. A big dining table over here, with the mini bar, with the Nespresso capsule coffee and the tea. There's a shoe min and shoe horn for you. Then the safe is over here. It's quite big though and deep. Then there's extra tea bag and the sugar, everything. Here's it's a fully stocked up fridge. Very impressive. It's been a while. During the Wuhan virus thing, that almost like hotel, they never stock up the what they call the mini bar. Okay. Then I'm not sure what is this though. I think it should be a next connecting room. So beside the TV, there's the 2 USB port and a light for the dining table. Here is the view, overlook at the park. Then here is another living room. Oh, there's a living room. There's a dining room. Very big space. I think it's a smart TV, or not so smart. Yeah, just you can check all the program and connect my device. That's cool, with the Google Chrome and Bluetooth, all this thing. I'm happy with this. The small little working desk right over here with 2 USB port and the power plug over there. And okay, you can close the door for your privacy. And here is a wardrobe. Yep, here it is. Very nice size for you to keep everything. And here is one king bed. One power plug right at the bedside with the alarm clock with the 2 USB port. The Bible. I wonder people still read the Bible though. Then TV. One power plug over here. And yeah, the remote control. Very smooth. And here is a toilet with one bathtub. The very big hair dryer, I'm sure it's powerful. And L'Occitane shampoo, soap, hair conditioner, body lotion, and the soap looks good. So here is a toilet, looks like this, a handheld shower with the so you have the regular, you have the L'Occitane luxury soap, and you have the regular soap from the Marriott Hotel. Yeah, I quite like this. I'm very happy with this room. I used the Sweet Night Award for this. Very happy. I'm going to test the bed. A little bit rough. Oh, it's kind of like a soft bed. Okay, when I jump over there, I don't really see much of the dust. It's a very stable bed. I like it. So now let's check the pillow. Okay. This one, the one on the back is slightly softer, just a little bit soft. And the firm pillow is quite thin though. I think I need two pillow for a good sleep. And even though that the bed sheet under the blanket is also a little bit rough, a little bit sad to see that the thread count for the bed liner is not that good. I just showered. Shower is not really that good because now I see a lot of dust from the pillow. The hot water will suddenly come burning hot, suddenly very cold. The pressure is very low. So that's one thing I quite get annoyed at when I have a shower just now. And the bathrobe here is quite thick, and I'm slightly sweating now. Okay, it's time for happy hour. They do offer 2 red wine, 2 white wine, then the Coke. So looking quite good with some of the small little snack and a salad. There's a fried chicken, and then 3 different types of the oil, the pasta, and then also some potato. The dessert wine looks good. Only 3 types, but it's good enough. And 2 different types of cheese and some bread. Here is an indoor swimming pool. Looks like this. Hey, a bit small. Okay, let's go to see the fitness center. It's a very lovely gym that has got all the equipment that I need. Lovely to see the gym is 24 hours. Lovely. I can come over here to do some exercise before I go to sleep later. I had a very good sleep. I actually came back around 8 something. Then I thought that okay, it's still early. I'm going to take a nap and go for a late dinner. Then I woke up at 6. The bed is actually quite comfortable. Just that the thread count is not really that high. Then it's very quiet. I think because it's Sunday or the soundproof is really good, I don't hear any noise at all. Just a low humming sound from the aircon. So let's go to have breakfast. Because I have a early check-in with 2 different staff, so I did not get welcome drink. You actually can get the sparkling wine for welcome drink, and then the information about the breakfast, the lounge, all this thing, the gym, all this. But the staff, 2 of the staff did not update me about that. But I found out that as a platinum guest, you can go 2 places for breakfast. Here is a breakfast. The bread here looks really good. I like it. And then honey over here. There's a cold cut. Everything looks good, especially the cheese. I have not tried the cheese yesterday, but I'm gonna try today. The salad, the tomato. Then I don't see any like signature fruits from. Oh, okay, so maybe kiwi. Pineapple here looks good, and natural yogurt. The muesli, all this. And over here, I think usually will be the gluten-free corner. Yeah, I am right. That's interesting to see. There's a cake called tea cake. Then let's see what is this. We've got a cute potato, and then the mushroom. This is the bean, but they cook porridge. I think should be this one. Yeah, this is a porridge. So it's a wrong side. Then there's a pancake and waffle. Then the egg stations. Let's see what else is this. Here is the gratin tomato. No, yeah. Oh, so it's something like that. Sausages. there's a pork sausage, the bacon, and the scrambled egg. Looks good. So they serve, you can get the sparkling water from Marriott. Or this Austrian sparkling wine. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Then different types of the juices and the cereal. Just pack everything. It's going to check out soon. This hotel, I would say that very average. It is not the regular Marriott hotel I stay, the standard. I love this big room. Me and my friend, we love it very much. It feels like a home. Like we can just cut a small corner, we can build out a kitchen right over here. Then it's like a home. So it's even bigger than the regular houses in Singapore. I don't like the staff, the front desk staff. They're actually not really that friendly. When I ask for, they only give me one key. When I asked for one extra key for my friend, and then they'll say that why you need one extra key. I was like, okay. And then he added that you can use your mobile phone to unlock the door. But I just like want to make sure that my friend will get a key, and then like I'm not sure whether I need to slot the card for the electricity. So and I feel that it's a little bit not professional. They don't have a good standard for check-in, so like I was not informed that I can get a free breakfast as a platinum guest or this thing. I had to use a message chat the app to check with them. So if you're staying in any Marriott hotel, make sure you download the app. It's quite useful for you to chat with the hotel guests or the hotel staff. The bed is very good. I really have a good sleep here, but the most I hate is the shower facility. The shower water pressure is very low. Then the cold water and the burning hot water is like on and off. It's not consistency at all. I'm at level 3, so the water pressure should be good, but I'm not sure how they do it in this room. Breakfast is quite a regular quality. Not much option. Honestly, I did not have much food for breakfast, but I have 2 glasses of the sparkling wine, which is also tastes average to me. Yep. So I am heading to Ritz-Carlton now, just across the road. Then, of course, that cannot be compared much, but after the Ritz-Carlton, I'll be staying at the Le Méridien in Vienna. So if you are still searching for the hotel where to stay, you can keep look for this 3 hotels that I share with you for my stay in Vienna. Bye bye.